Alright guys, just tightening everything up right now. Uses a T30.
Big time, no man now. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Do it, I'm big time, lot of slime. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying super blessed. Look, another part arrived, and that's what this video is about. I'm gonna show you guys what that part is in just a moment, but first, before we start this video, if you guys could please like and subscribe, I greatly appreciate it. It helps out the channel so much, and we're almost at 350 subscribers. So thanks to you guys, thanks to your support, this channel it's going somewhere, you know. We'll see what happens in the next months, the next year, whatever the case is. But for right now, the channel it's growing. So I appreciate all of you guys. Much love, major blessings. Let me show y'all what's going on. So back in the engine bay here, and this right here, the J's Racing valve cover. Let me show you guys what we have. Now, I'm not going to touch it without gloves, but well, I could do this. Titanium Chasing J's valve cover. So this is the cover that's going to go on top of the J's Racing actual valve cover, like that. So that's where that goes. As you guys can see, I did put the spacers already in there, those little white things. Okay, let me set this a better area. Yeah, right there. Okay, so looking here, these you guys are the bolts right there, right? They're all titanium, they're different sizes. We also get a emblem insignia, Chasing J's. Right there, the endless pursuit of performance through artistry, Chasing J's titanium. Nice, J's, thanks for that, nice touch. These right here are the washers, and then I gotta add this other spacer right here. So pretty self-explanatory install. I already took off the, I don't want to show you guys that, but I took off the 10mm bolt that was right there next to the inlet. So that's that. But it'll be a really quick video. It's just a quick install. Want to give you guys an update on the MHI Stage 2 turbo build. Still have to order that fuel pump. It's 1,600 bucks. I'm waiting for my bonus check. It was supposed to be the last check round, but apparently it's the next cycle, so I'm just waiting on that. We'll order that up. Same with the low pressure fuel pump, ordering that very soon, which will probably be actually this week. I'd say somewhere around there this week, depending if the bonus check gets here this week. I'll order everything all at once, so we'll see what happens. If it doesn't, then I gotta wait that 2 weeks till the next paycheck cycle. But that's what's going on. From the previous video, you guys see the race bred splitter here. All right, minus the toolkit, but there's the race bred splitter. And yeah, I'm just gonna do a time lapse. So let's install it right now. All right, y'all. I'm gonna start putting these on. Here we go. All right. It's pretty self-explanatory install, but let me show you guys up close here. All right. So there it is. Chasing J's titanium valve cover. You don't want to touch this with your hand, so I'm going to clean this up real quick. Yeah. And that's it, you guys. That is the end of this video. Well, y'all, that's going to do it. Thanks for tuning in to this video. Stay tuned, because the next videos that are coming up are going to be really worth it, man. Let me tell you. Let me show you guys one more time what it looks like. I just love it, so I'm going to keep showing it off. I mean, it is honestly perfect with the J's racing valve cover. So Chasing J's titanium coil cover over the J's racing valve cover. That's what I meant to say in this video. Yeah, but all right, guys, until next time, much love and blessings. I know this was a short video, but stay tuned, a lot more coming up. Never hesitate, always put your best foot forward. Live life to your fullest, the way you want to live, man. Don't let anybody else tell you how to live it. Much love. Skylyfe. Let's go.